I'm a business coach, so I sell coaching services. And every time I have someone that says, Nick, I want to work with you, when they say, we jump on a call, what do? I show them this. And I say, tell me about, what's your problem? What do you need help with? Yeah? And then normally I do it on Zoom, because it's normally international, right? And then when they tell me what their problems are, I have in Miro one of these open. And as soon as they tell me what they're trying to do, I'm quickly typing notes to say, these are their jobs. That's what they're trying to achieve, right? And then when they say, or they might be telling me, this is so frustrating, it's so painful what I'm doing right now, that's their pains. Or they might say, I really want to do this is my dream for the company, I want to do this. And that's their gains, the benefits that they want. I'm typing this out, and then once they finish talking, I share my screen. Yeah. And then I say to them, look at this. What you told me was that you're trying to do this. What you want as a result is this. And your pain is this. Do you know what they do? They never heard like that before. When you go to the doctor, have you ever been to the doctor where the doctor, you try to tell them the problems? I know what you got. Here's what you need. But they didn't even listen to you, right? How do they know what I need? Whereas have you ever been to a doctor where they listen to you? Oh, really? And they really listen. And they also even say, and maybe it's like this. Have you had this too? And you go, yeah. And then and then they're really listening. And then they go, don't worry. I've worked with lots of people like you. I know the exact medication you need to take. And you feel like, I'm in the right place, yeah? When I do this with my customers, this makes them feel like, I'm in the right place. So one recommendation before we start is with all your customers, it doesn't matter what industry, it doesn't matter whether you're in a startup or whether you're in a business, when you speak to your customers, make notes on those customer calls and have a clear idea of what are they trying to do, what's their customer job, what are they trying to do, the tasks, activities, the gains, what outcomes do they want, and what pains do they want. Because if we only jump on a call and we talk, you don't remember what they said properly, right? Even better if you can record the call. Because now with ChatGPT, what I'm doing is I'm taking a screenshot of this, putting it into ChatGPT. I'm taking the transcript from the call and putting that into ChatGPT as well. Like, it's so, my proposals, they write themselves because ChatGPT knows what I sell. But now it can see all the tasks and things that the customer's trying to do, and it knows what I produce, and it puts it together. It writes my proposals for me. Wow, right? So I'm trying to share this with you because I want all of you to copy me. I want you on your next, when you have a call with a customer, open up something like, you can do it in Notes app or whatever. I like to make it visual, so I do it like this. But when I show customers this, they're like, who is this guy? Like, right? Because people don't do this. But what I want to do is show you that it's possible and give you permission to do a different way of running your calls. I think this already is like very valuable information. So I really recommend that you start doing that.